Happy 4th of July to all of you. My name is Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library, here to show you how to do the Patriotic Youth Craft. What we're going to be making today are rocket launchers, actually straw rocket launchers. Doesn't that sound like fun? All right, let me show you how to do that, okay? In your kit, you're going to be getting a template with a couple rockets on there that you'll need to color and then cut out, okay? And you'll be getting two different kinds of straws. One's kind of a fat straw, and one's kind of a skinny straw, all right? And there's a reason why we have two different straws, and I'm going to tell you why that is. Now, what you'll need at home to do this project is you'll need some scissors, some markers, and some Scotch tape, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to color your template. I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring this one. I started it before. You don't have to, but I was thinking maybe in terms of making this kind of like a patriotic rocket, okay? This is kind of in the honor of the 4th of July, right? Okay. All right, so add a few more things for my launcher here. Okay. It doesn't matter if you use pencils or markers. I'm sorry, colored pencils, markers, or crayons, okay, whatever you like. But make sure you color it first before you cut it out. That way you don't have to stay inside the lines. Yay, okay. It's fairly easy to cut out, it should be fairly quick because it doesn't have a lot of curves, okay? A lot of straight lines, just a little curve over the rocket at the top. And also in your package, you'll also be getting some directions and also some scientific facts about how the rocket works the way it does, okay? All right, see, I cut my rocket out. My scraps to the side for now. The next thing I want to do is I want to measure, take the big straw, and I want to measure how far I want the straw to be taped to the back of your rocket. Okay, but we don't want it to go too far past that. So it looks like about this big is how big it is, okay? Oh. All right, so if I put that on there, see, you can't really see it from the other side. But before you tape it on, you need to seal one end of your straw, and that will be the top end. So I'm going to seal the top. I'm going to pinch it shut and then tape it. Okay, oops, I think I see a little bit of a gap there. We don't want any air to get out, okay? We want it just to be like a one-way. Okay, so that end is sealed up, and now I'm going to tape it to the back of my rocket. Again, the sealed end will be at the top of the rocket. There we go. Probably takes maybe 2 pieces of tape to secure the fat straw to the back of the rocket. All right, I've done that now. Okay, then I'm going to launch my rocket. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to need you to count because I can't count and blow at the same time, all right? So it'll be 1, 2, 3. But before you do that, let me just show you how to get the rocket ready. You're going to take your straw, the long one, and you're going to slip it in there, okay? But you want to make sure that you don't put it all the way to the taped part, okay? So what I'm saying is you put it all the way in, and then you back it up a little bit, all right? Can you see that? There's a little bit of a gap there. Okay. All right. Are you ready to count now? Here we go. All right. Actually, I can use my fingers and you can count out loud, all right? Here we go. Did you see that? All right. I just happen to have another one here. Okay. You ready? All right. Okay, so this one here, if I put it all the way to the top, it's not going to blow. So that's why I was suggesting that when you put the long straw in there. You put it all the way in, but then you back it up a little bit, all right? Okay. All right, here we go. Our final launch for today. You ready? There we go. All right. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July, whether or not it's a picnic or going to a fireworks show. I hope it's a safe and healthy 4th of July for you, okay? Bye, everyone.